What causes an aircraft to fail? Mechanical system failure. Malfunctions in structural systems or moving components can lead to critical failures. Engine component failures such as fractured turbine or compressor blade from fatigue, oil starvation or bird ingestion can cause sudden thrust loss and risk of stall. In such cases, the Ram Air Turbine RAT automatically deploys to restore enough power for essential flight controls. Electrical system failure. On the electrical side, total power loss caused by dual generator failure, short circuits, or overloads can shut down displays, radios, lighting, and computers, though the RAT provides minimal backup power. Occurred on June 12, 2025, when Air India Flight 171, a Boeing 787, experienced sudden thrust loss at just 625 feet after taking off from Ahmedabad.